What are you doing?
I'm putting shampoo.
Shampoo in the CD player?
I'm putting pretend shampoo.
Why? What's that supposed to do?
Oh. What are you doing?
Why are you shutting the door on me?
Because I don't want you to see me singing.
Why? I think you're a good singer.
I hope you don't pop my room.
Why do you keep putting stuff in the CD player? I don't get it. What's that supposed to do?
It's supposed to make it nice.
What does that mean it's supposed to make it nice?
It's supposed to make it nice and pretty.
Okay.